Hello guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Java interview question series. So guys, in this particular topic today, I'm going to cover that how to find duplicate elements from an array. It's a very evergreen, important interview question. Uh, I mean, 100% they will ask you this question that that how to find duplicate element from an array. Okay, how to find a duplicate string, duplicate string elements from an array, duplicate integer elements from an array, ultimately duplicate elements from a specific array. Okay, give me the time complexity and give me the different solutions for that. How will you solve it? Okay, so let's do it. So let me quickly create a class, and let's see, my class name is duplicate elements. Okay, select the main method, click on finish, and let's see, my array is like that. Okay, I have one string array. Let's see, string uh, names is the array is equal to I have some elements, string elements. Let's see, Java, comma, JavaScript, comma, Ruby. Okay, and let's see, C. Then we have Python, and let's see, we have one more Java. So Java is a duplicate element, right? Java is the duplicate element. So I'm taking the example of a string array. Okay, because they will ask you 99% cases they will ask you that okay, there is a string array is there and we have to find out the duplicate element. So we know that okay, Java is repeating two times. It means this is a duplicate element. Okay, so see, let's see, yeah, like that we have. Now first, very much first solution is that we know that okay, we will compare each and every element. I'll compare Java with JavaScript, Java to Ruby, Java to C, Java to Python, and Java to Java. If Java to Java match, then I'll assume that okay, that Java is the duplicate element. Same thing, I'll start my loop like this, like JavaScript to Ruby, JavaScript to C, JavaScript to Python, JavaScript to Java, like that. So each and every component I'll check one to many mapping, Java to JavaScript, Java to Ruby, Java to C, Java to Python, and Java to Java, like that. Same thing, Java to Ruby, JavaScript to Ruby, JavaScript to C, Python, and Java. Same thing, Ruby to C, Ruby to Python, and Ruby to Java. Then C to Python and C to Java. Then Python to Java, and okay. So I'll find out. I'll check all the different combinations, each and every combination, and then I'll check that my code is finding the duplicate element or not. So this is the very much first solution that okay, compare each element. This is a worst solution although. Okay, compare each element. So how to do that? Very simple. That's simple. I'll start my for loop for okay, int, and I'll start my for loop is like this, int I is equal to 0. Okay, because the first element Java is available on 0th position. This Java is available on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 elements are there, and I less than, okay, simple, I'll use names dot length method is there up to the length of this particular array, and then I plus plus. Okay, so this I is the counter which is representing I equal to 0, means this is representing Java. Then I have to compare Java to JavaScript. So I'll start another for loop. This is my second counter, int j is equal to I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1 means if I is representing this, so j is representing JavaScript. It means I plus 1. If Java is I is available on 0, so j will be 1. Right? If I is equal to 1, then j will be, okay, if I is equal to 1, j will be 2, like this. Okay, plus 1 of I. Okay, so j, int j is equal to I plus 1, and then up to the length of this particular array, j less than names dot length and j plus plus. Okay, so this is my int I equal to 0 and j is equal to I plus 1. Okay, plus 1 of the ith index. So I equal to 0, j will become 1, like this. Okay, and simple, I'll print system.out.println. Let's say I'm printing that okay, before printing, what I'll do, I'll compare now, right? I'll compare with if condition, that if, okay, if, what is my array name, names of I, okay, dot equals. For string comparison we use equals. So I'm comparing Java to JavaScript. Okay, names of I to names of j. So if, okay, is equal to names of j. Okay, if both the values are equal, it means I found the duplicate element. System dot out dot println, simple, I'll write duplicate element is plus whatever the value is going on names of I. Okay, whatever the comparison, once the comparison matched Java to JavaScript or Java to Ruby and Java to Java, it means name of I is equal to name of j. It means element is found, duplicate element is found. I'm simply printing name of j. Okay, so let's run it and we'll see that it is working or not. So this is the first solution. See, duplicate element is Java, right? So it is working. Let's check with, I'll add one more duplicate element. Let's see, it is working for this also. Okay, now Java is also duplicate and C is also duplicate. So let's see. See, it's printing duplicate element is Java and duplicate element is C. So it is working fine with, okay, this solution is working fine. Okay, so I'm removing this. Okay, so I have, guys, I have two for loops. So the time complexity will be O(n) square. Okay, guys, the time complexity will be O multiplied by n, O(n) square. Okay, O(n) square. Okay, now the second solution, this is the worst solution, I would say. We in programming language we say that this is the worst approach, worst solution. Why? Because let's see, right now we have only 5 elements, but let's see tomorrow we have thousands of elements are there. So each and every element we are comparing. Okay, each and every pair, okay, with each and every element we are doing, it means it will take O(n) square of time, and O(n) square is the worst solution. The time complexity will be O(n) square. So the first solution you can give like that, and after that interviewer will ask you that, okay, give me O(n) solution. Okay, give me the proper solution. I don't want any O(n) square time complexity. So whenever we are using these two for loops, okay, inner loop and outer loop, in that case the time complexity will be O(n) square. Okay, if you are aware about that how to determine the time complexity, then we will use O(n) square. Okay, then we will get to know that what is O(n), what is O(n) square and all those things. Okay, so I'm not covering the time complexity, but this is the worst solution. Okay, now let's talk about the second solution. Second solution is that using hash set. Okay guys, using hash set. So using hash set, the property of hash set, that hash set is part of Java collection. Okay, hash set is part of, I would write, Java collection, and the property of hash set is it stores unique values. Okay, so this is a property of hash set. So with the property of hash set, guys, what we can do, what I'll do, simple, I'll create one set object. So I'll create one set object, okay, like this, and we know that in this particular set object we are going to store string. So set of, okay, string I'm going to create, and let's see, my set object name is, simple name I'll write, let's see, store is equal to new hash set of string. Okay, so set is the available in java.util, so available in java.util imported. Hash set is the class available in java.util, just imported. Okay guys, listen it carefully. Now what I'm doing here, this is a set is the interface, and hash set is the class. You can see that this is class and set is the interface, and this hash set is implementing set interface. So I can achieve that. I can write like this, this is a child class object, can be referred by parent interface reference variable. Okay, so this I can do that. Now the solution is, what I have to do, I know that in set object I can store only, okay, unique value. So I'll start my for loop like this, and for each loop, okay, like this, I'll be using name, okay, like this, string name. Okay, I'll create one variable string name, where exactly, which, in which array, okay, in this particular array, then array name is names. Okay, in this particular array, what I'll do, so I'm iterating by using this for loop, and what I'll do, guys, listen it carefully. Simple, I'll put one condition, if, okay, store dot, I'll try to add store dot add, store dot add what? Name. Okay, store dot add name. So first, what exactly it will do? First time name will be Java. So Java I'm trying to add. If it is written dot, okay, store dot name. Okay, I'll try to, okay, add store dot add. So add, it will give you either it is true or false. If it is added, if it is unique, it will be added. If it is like already added, it will return false. So if I'll write like this, if store dot add, I'll try to add the name. Name is iterating of this particular names array. So first value will be Java will be given to this particular store. So store dot add name, okay, is equal to I'll say false. Okay, is equal to false. Then that is my duplicate array. I mean, that is my duplicate element. System.out.println. I'll write like this. Okay, instead of this, I'll say name. Okay, now see, I'll tell you what exactly is happening over here. So as I told you that hash set means it can store the unique values. So what I'm doing here, I'm iterating this by using this for loop like this. A string name. Name is simple variable of a string. Okay, and names is what? Name is this particular array, and this is the array. So first time what you can iterate like this, instead of int I equal to 0 or like that, you can iterate like this also. So name available in this particular names, it means it will point, name will point to Java first. Okay, one by one Java. So store dot add Java is equal to false. No, it is not equal to false. Why? Because we are going to add it. Okay, it's fine. Again, what exactly next time it will be JavaScript. Again, Java store dot add JavaScript is equal to false. No, because JavaScript will be added, because JavaScript is not available in the set object. Again, it is fine. Then again Ruby will be added. Okay, without any problem Ruby will be added in this particular hash set. Then C will be added, then Python will be added, which is fine. Now again Java is there. Again it will try to add Java. Okay, store dot add Java, but Java we have already added, right? The first time we have already added Java, so immediately it will give you false, because set object cannot store false values. I mean, set object cannot store duplicate values, and Java we have already stored. So at this point of time, it will, while adding this second Java, it will give you immediately false. The moment it get false, I'll come inside the while loop, I mean inside the if condition, and I'll print system.out.println, this is the duplicate element, and this name is now pointing to this particular Java, so immediately it will return Java. Okay, so let's run it. So the output is coming like this. So duplicate element is Java because of this logic, and for second logic it's giving duplicate element is Java. So what I'll do, I'll differentiate these two output like this. System.out.println. Okay, so let's print it. Now see, this is the first solution, that each and every element I'm iterating, and duplicate element is Java is this. Okay guys, so this is what, it's perfect, right? So immediately it'll give you that duplicate element is Java now. Okay, this is a second solution, that by using hash set, and they are expecting this solution, and the time complexity of this particular hash set will be the capital On. Okay, this is a good solution. On is the time complexity. So they are expecting that, okay, instead of On square, because we are using only one for loop, so the complexity will be On. Simple. Okay, very simple. Now the third is by using hash map. It's a little bit complex, but it's easy also. Like, it's easy to understand. Don't worry about it. It's complex or not, but it's easy. So the third solution is that using, okay, hash map. Okay, so using hash map, how will you do that? So logic, I'll tell you that one by one I'll try to add the values, okay, in the hash map, and then I'll check. Okay, then I'll check, okay, one, because in hash map duplicate elements are allowed, and then I'll maintain one counter, because hash map stores the value on the basis of key and value pair format. So my key will be string, that particular value, and value will be integer. Okay, so I'll store the value like a string comma integer. It means I'll store Java and the occurrence of that particular Java. So occurrence of Java will be 1. Again I'll try to add JavaScript, then Ruby, then C, and then Python, and again I'll try to add Java. I'll check if Java is already there, the count will be 2. It means now that I'll check if count is greater than 1, it means that is a duplicate element. Okay, So let's do it. Okay guys, you have to practice guys. Might be you won't be able to understand, okay, in the single session. Please practice. This is a very very important interview question. You might not use I mean, you might be not using these kind of concepts in Selenium framework or these things, but okay, in programming interview questions definitely they will ask you, and you have to practice a lot with these things. Okay, so let's do it. How to do that? So with again, I'll differentiate with this. Okay, so that I can get the proper output. Now the solution, first I'll create simple map object. Okay, map, as I told you, map stores the value in the form of key and value pair format. So my key will be in string, comma, and the value will be in integer. Okay, this key means I'll store that Java, and integer means how many times Java is coming, like that. Okay, and let's see, I'll create my map store map. This is my object name is equal to new hash map. Okay, new hash map, and again string comma integer. Okay, so I have created one hash map and map, and this hash map is available in java.util, so please import it. Map is the interface, again is available in util. Just import it. This hash map is a class and map is the interface, which is hash map is implementing this particular map interface. Okay, okay, fine. Now what I'll do, I'll start my for loop. Now see the logic guys. I'll start my for loop. Again, I'll iterate that particular names, okay, this particular names array, okay, with this name string variable names, like this. Okay, and what I'll do, first I'll maintain the count. So what I'll do in this particular store map, this is a store map, I'll try to add store map dot, okay, I'll try to get the value of store map dot get. Okay, the key is this. What is my key? Key is this name. Okay, now see the logic guys. Store map dot get, I'll try to get, right now this particular store map is blank. I just created, and this object is totally blank. There is no value in this. Now I'm iterating it, and I'm not adding also. I'm not using dot add. Simple string name. So name is pointing to Java first time. So it will try store map dot get Java. It will try to get the value of Java, but Java is not available. So it will return what? It will return null. Okay, so I'll store in some, okay, in wrapper class object like this, integer count is equal to like this. So this count value will be null first time. Why? Because store map dot get name, and name means first time name is equal to Java. So there is no value, okay, there is no Java in this particular store map. This is a blank object. So it will immediately, count will be null. Okay, and then I'll put one condition over there, that if, okay, count is equal to null. Okay, if count is equal to null, simple. If count is equal to null means this particular value is not available, then I'll try to add this particular value. Simple like this. Store map dot put. So put method is used to add the values in hash map. Okay, and what will be my key? My key will be name. So it means the first time Java will be there, and the value will be, what will be my value? Value will be 1. Okay, that occurrence of that particular Java. So I know that, okay, Java I'll store. Okay, and first time I'm storing that, okay, store map dot please add Java with first occurrence. It means 1 is not the index guys. 1 is that how many times it's coming. Okay, so Java is first time it's coming 1. So first simple name comma 1, like that. Okay, now in the else condition, what I'll do, else what I'll do, if that element count is not equal to null, it means that element I found already is available. Let's see, Java is already available. Then I'll come inside the else part, and then I'll store like this, store map dot get, okay, store map, sorry, not get, put method, sorry, dot put. Okay, and what will be my string again, I mean my key will be my name, and the value will be, okay, it means I know that if it is count is not equal to null. Let's see, count is dot get, and I'm getting the value. It means it will come inside the else part. Count is not null. It means that particular element is already available in hash map object. It means what I'll do, I'll store inside the store map with my value will be plus plus count. It means I'll increase the count by 1. Okay guys, increase the count by 1 plus plus count. Okay, with this plus plus count I'll store. Simple. Okay, so now I'll prepare one hash map in which, okay, the values will be stored in the form of key and value pair format. So it will be like this. Java will be stored Java, okay, Java comma 2, JavaScript comma 1, Ruby comma 1, C comma 1, Python comma 1. But for Java, Java comma 2, okay, like that. And then I'll check that, okay, if a particular element is having that value is equal to greater than 1, it means that is a duplicate element. Okay, that's my duplicate element. So now how will you iterate it? Now we have to okay, get the values from this hash map object. Okay, from this hash map. So how to get it? Now see, again it's a little bit new things for you guys maybe. To get the value from hash map, we have to use, guys, entry set. Okay, so I'll store, this is my hash map object, store map dot, okay, store map dot uh, store map, sorry, yeah, store map dot entry set. Okay, store map dot entry set. So entry set will return always, see guys, the set of entry. Okay, the set of entry. So it will give you the representation of the hash map elements in the form of key and value pair format. Okay, so always remember, whenever on the hash map, if you are putting this method entry set, it will return you this set of entry. Okay, so I'll store like this, set of entry, and entry will be my, again it will be my string comma integer format. Okay, and then I'll create one, let's see, my object name is entry set is equal to like this. Okay guys, maybe I know it's a little bit different, okay, but you have to do it, guys. Just import it from Java util map object. Okay, you have to do it. This is the third solution. It's okay if you are not giving this particular solution, but they are expecting, if you're giving this solution, the third solution also with the help of hash map, that will be the, I mean, the best answer, and definitely it shows that, okay, you have great programming skills. Okay, so I'll create one entry set object, and in this, it means the store map, the complete key and value pair format will be represented by this entry set now in the form of this entry string comma integer, like that. And then to iterate it, I'll simply use my for loop for, okay, for of what, for of this particular entry of this entry set. So what I'll do, simple, I'll create one entry reference like this. See it, I'm sure a couple of times if you practice, you will get to know that, okay, what exactly I'm doing over here. Entry of, okay, entry set. Okay, entry of entry set. Now simple, I'm iterating this by using this for loop. I'm iterating this entry set. This is again a collection, again kind of, I would say, array collection. It's not exactly like array, but it's a kind of collection, and to iterate collection also we have to use for loop like this. Okay, and then simple, I'll put one condition. As I told you, I have to check if the count is greater than 1. Okay, so what I'll do, in this particular entry, I'll try to get the value. Entry dot get value method is there. Get value, this get value will return 1. Okay, get value will return integer. Okay, entry dot, if entry dot get value is greater than 1, okay, it means the occurrence of that particular element is greater than 1. That's my element. Okay, so that's a duplicate element. If greater than 1, simple, I'll write one statement, the system dot out dot println. Okay, sorry, system dot out dot println. I'll simple write duplicate element is, okay, simple, entry dot get key method. Okay, from this entry dot, so to get the key we have to use get key, to get the value we have to use get value. So this is how we iterate hash map. Okay, or yeah, hash map or entry set like this. This is entry set, not hash map. So get key. Simple. Okay, so if get value is greater than 1, it means Java comma 2. So 2 is greater than 1, then return Java. So in this particular hash map, see guys, in this particular store map, hash map, we have stored the value like this. The occurrence is like this: Java comma 1, JavaScript comma 1, Ruby comma 1, C comma 1, Python comma 1. Again Java is there. It means now the Java will become 2. So Java comma 2, like this. Okay, now I have to iterate it. Then I'll check if Java comma 2, it means 2 is greater than 1. Okay, it means that's a duplicate element. But for JavaScript comma 1, 1 is not greater than 1, so it will not return JavaScript, so it will return only Java. Okay, and simple print it. Okay, so this is again like I am also writing the first, like after a long time I'm writing this particular code. I don't know that it should work. Let's see, and let's run it. Yeah, let's run it and let's see for this third element also it should return duplicate element is Java. Yes, it is working perfectly. Okay, cool. Thank God I still like I remember all these things. Okay, it's been a long time, around 4 5 years back I used to practice these things. Now it's like I think I'm very habitual with all these programming questions and all. But for you guys, if you have started, please practice like that. Okay, it should be on your fingertips. After 5 years, 4 years also, still see I'm remember. Okay, still I remember. I'm not taking any reference as this is the first time, just because of in this for this particular video I'm creating. Okay, I'm writing the code like that. Okay, okay, so using hash map, so now the time complexity will be on of 2n. Okay, so this is the very good solution, guys. Of 2n. Okay, this is also a very good solution, very robust. Okay, only one for loop and very simple. Okay, because in hash set property is store only unique values, but this is the worst solution that you are using the for loop each and every element. It's fine for 5 elements, it's working fine because you are not able to see that okay the difference, it's hardly it is taking the fraction of second it's taking to display the results. But if there are, let's see, millions of records are there, let's see. Okay, then it will be a problem. Then each and every element will be compared with each other. Okay, let's see, 1,100 elements are there, let's see. So 1 to 1, I mean 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 100, and then again 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, and 2 to 100, again 3 to 1. Okay, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, and 3 to 100, like that we have to compare. So this is the worst solution. That's why the time complexity will be on square. Okay, for this it will be on. Okay, and for this it will be o2n. Okay, I'm not covering that. Okay, what do you mean by o2n and all, but o2n somewhere better than on. Okay, although almost equal, on and o2n is almost equal. Okay, sorry. So this is the solution, guys. So if they ask you at a time of interview that okay how to find the duplicate elements in that particular array, so this is what you have to tell. Okay, to find the duplicate elements, okay, there are three approaches: compare each element with each other using the hash set, because in hash set I store only unique values, and using the hash map also. And I'll store that the duplicate elements like that: Java comma 1, Java comma 2, JavaScript comma 1, like this. And then I'll take it. If it is greater than 1, then okay, I'll fetch that particular key. Simple. Okay, so please practice, especially with this third one. It's very important, guys. Okay, so this is very important interview question. Okay, guys, so let me know if you have any questions and put the comment. Okay, if you have any solution also, write your solution in the comment section. And if you really like this video, please share with others, and keep watching these videos, this particular series, Java interview questions. And a lot of other videos are coming soon that for the Java programming questions. Okay, I'm pretty much sure that okay, after watching these videos you can crack any programming interviews. Definitely you can crack. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and then please subscribe to the channel and share with others. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, so this is my channel name, that Naveen Automation Labs, so please subscribe it. Okay, thank you.